Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. You guys, we are making some baked Caesar chicken today. And I am greasing my casserole dish with this butter wrapper. Y'all use your butter wrappers. When you take that stick of butter out of there, usually it's some butter residue in the wrapper. So when I think about it, I like to keep them so I can grease my dishes, okay? So today I'll be using 4 skinless, boneless chicken thighs. We love thighs, you guys. They're just, in my opinion, they're moister and not as dry as maybe like the breast, but you can use breasts as well. But I've cleaned 4 pieces of thighs, or 4 thighs. In an effort to try to get them pretty even, I did pound them out a little bit, okay? So I'm going to go on, well, before I do that, I want to put them in the casserole dish, but I need to just salt and pepper them. Yeah, this is such an easy recipe. I'm not going to go too heavy on the salt because other ingredients that we will be using have salt as well, okay? So that's salt and pepper. And then let me get the other side really quick. Pepper. Okay, now I can put them on and put them down in my casserole dish and throw this paper plate in the trash can. Come on, you coming too. You coming too. All right. In the trash this goes. And the bottom of that plate felt a little damp, so I'm gonna wash my hands again. Although I had already thoroughly washed my hands, I just wanted to wash them again after holding that plate. It just felt a little damp, like maybe some of the chicken juices. You know what I mean, right? Okay. Here's my chicken. You saw me grating some Parmesan cheese, and I need at least half cup, but I know I'm gonna use more, okay? So grated Parmesan cheese. And then here I have some, this is my Parmesan, and these are my croutons. So I have probably about a cup. You can do half a cup, but I like extra, okay? I have some croutons. And I will be, let's see, I need to mix these croutons and this cheese together. And then we're gonna drizzle some butter. I melted about 3 tablespoons of butter You can do less if you'd like. And I'm hoping to get the croutons and all of the Parmesan cheese coated with some butter. So this is my butter that I melted. So we're going to add a little bit now. And we'll add the rest of our croutons and cheese. And then I'll add the rest of this butter. Okie dokie. Okay. Now the only other ingredients that I'll be using, I used my salt and pepper. Oh, I almost forgot over here. Y'all, I was trying to get my my half cup of sour cream room temperature, so I had it sitting in some warm water. This is a half cup of sour cream, and I need it to be room temperature. I have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour here. And then I'll be using about a cup of this creamy Caesar with roasted garlic by Ken's. And if I didn't tell you, whatever croutons you want to use, if you want to use some butter croutons, if you want to use seasoned croutons, they do have a Caesar crouton. If you want to use those, it's whatever you like. Now we're going to bake this. My oven is preheated. It's ready by now. It's preheated to 375 degrees. And we're going to bake at least maybe 35, maybe 40 minutes. Make sure the chicken is done. Okay. So now I want to mix this with my sour cream. Now, since I already have half a cup of sour cream in here, I need a cup of this, which means I need to fill it to 1.5 cups. And that there was the whole bottle. I'm gonna leave this upside down so I can get the rest of that out of there. We want to mix the sour cream with the Caesar dressing, and we want to add the, what's that stuff called, flour. But I want to mix it up a little bit first with just a little bit of this creamy dressing and sour cream to make sure that I get it smooth and it's not lumpy. I didn't want to just add that glob of flour in there and then it's not really mixed in good. Okay, y'all see that? Okay. Wait a minute. Got a little bit left in there. So now add it and get everything mixed up together. Easy peasy. You wipe this off. So now the only thing left to do make sure this board is dry, because I don't want to put, once I set my casserole dish here, I don't want to get the bottom of it wet. because you never want to put a wet glass dish in a hot oven. Okay. The only thing left to do is just add the creamy sauce. Make sure you get all your chicken covered thoroughly. Now we're just topping it off with our buttery croutons and Parmesan cheese. How easy is this, y'all? And then we're just gonna garnish it with some play parsley. If you have some real parsley, garnish it with some real parsley. I just like to keep my parsley flakes on hand because I don't always keep fresh parsley. And y'all, we're ready to go in the oven. Just that easy. And you guys, your temperature for your chicken should read at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit to make sure that it is done. No more pink. So we are setting our timer. I'm going to set it for 35 minutes. But I'll let you know exactly how long it baked once I take it out. But per usual, baking time will vary, can vary, depending on your oven. We baked 40 minutes. And let me show you, I cannot tilt that casserole dish because that butter is sizzling, and I just don't think that would be a good idea. But we're looking good. That butter just is sizzling. So we'll be ready to dig into it in a little bit. Definitely want to let it cool.
What it means? I'm trying to remember. I'm hungry.
That is not what it means.
I thought that's what it means.
We're going to get a picture before I put it on this, y'all know, for presentation. And so I could get a thumbnail. How you looking, babe?
I put your tongue on me.
Did you put your tongue on there?
No, I didn't put my
What
tongue.
are you talking about?
Yes, and right through your little snotty nose.
Oh, yes, you did. I mean, you got spit and put it on them.
No,
Like the grandmas used to do.
Man, that's no mom spit. That fixed a lot of things.
He said that Papa spit different.
That took
though.
away your knees. That took away your knees.
Hands in your tongue and put that on me.
You're trying to get the ash off your face.
Yeah, they took.
Jackson, you gonna say hey? Wait a minute, y'all a little crooked. Back up real fast. There you go. Say hey, everybody.
Hey every chopper.
What?
He's being silly. All right, I'll tell you what.
What are you making anyway? What are you making?
It's chicken.
I know that.
It's a Caesar chicken. No, take this back. What you doing? What you doing? You don't know what that is.
Let's stop there.
I ate a grease ball.
Is that what it was?
I ate a grease ball.
Baby, that was butter.
Oh.
Excuse me, baby. Back up.
Oh, well, that look like that go to a salad.
I'll put one piece of chicken in there. But I want to eat it on the plate too.
You want to eat? I'm gonna put it up. You gonna do a taste test right now with Papa? Come here. And you gonna taste it too with Papa.
That's good.
Do you have to be silly? You can't have it. You got it all. Papa's making a mess. I saw you. I saw you. Why you, it dropped right here at me, babe. Why you have to look like that?
That's all right. Thought I got away with
Don't be doing that. They're gonna be saying, look, you scared of her like she gonna give you a whooping. You know the people just be looking for something to say, honey.
You gonna beat me? Is that what?
Say what?
I just said you gonna beat me.
I say they be looking like you gonna get in trouble.
Oh,
For real. I say you know the people be looking for something to say.
that's really
Yeah,
good.
this is good.
Moist.
That's what I was gonna say. Look at how
Very
moist.
moist.
We get ready to eat dinner, so. Can you see? Can you
That's
tell
good.
how moist it is? And y'all, it was so easy. And you can totally leave out that extra salt, because like I said, baby, it has croutons
Croutons.
crushed on top, mixed with Parmesan cheese, and it was just baked.
That's good.
So
That's
it's
really
simple,
good.
you guys. Something easy peasy.
I can't see
And
myself.
y'all, he wanted some boxed macaroni and cheese. So that's what we get ready to do.
Is the
Look.
food ready?
It's what he wanted.
Is the food ready?
It is, baby. Nana's gonna finish his macaroni and cheese. Is Papa gonna eat it all up? Is Papa trying to eat it all?
Yeah.
Does that mean he need to save you some? Save me some, Papa. That's right, Nana's boy for life.
Where you get that from?
And he's been had that. Let everybody see with your chicken around your mouth. Let everybody see your shirt. Say that's so true. You Nana's boy for life. Huh?
I'm Nana.
Nana's big boy.
I'm Nana's big boy.
Big boy. All right, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. That's your thumbs up.
That's a thumbs up.
If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so.
By hitting the nosy.
And that's turning on that notification bell. That way you'll be notified. Woo, you have it.
Yeah.
Whenever we're over here.
Doing whatever we
Yeah, that part. Thank you all
do. Yeah, I got you.
so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time.
Bye.
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 Bye, potato head.
That's fine.